computer's done. Time for this computer, which is quite old. This has got to be my old, like 4 computers ago, at least. And it's moldy. That's not going to be good. Being so old means it's heavy. Let's see how many weird faces I can make here. I just don't want to get all moldy. Oh, no printers? Forgot how not fun printers are to recycle. You get ink all over you. There's the cookie. Ow, ow, ow. Dig into my leg. Ow. Oh, let's get it right this person. Oh, like that. I just get this moldy plastic out of here. Fuck this shit. You gotta make the funny faces too when you do this. That way, people know how hard you're working. And I don't know if the music is loud enough to get rejected by the YouTube robots or not, but I bet you it will be on that last video I had. The printer, I realized that was pretty loud. I'm going to turn that down a little bit more. I think it's gross. Let's just take off a couple of these. There's at least one circuit board in there. 15 cents a pound currently. Smell that mold. Oh, there's even a chip on it. Good. I don't know how they get the precious metals out of that little shit, but somehow they do. And that's this here. That's just all connectors. There's not really circuit boards in there. So that's going in the garbage. Oh, come. I don't know what to do with this guy. We're taking this apart. Probably. Oh, I knew these things were pokey. These little pokey things. You gotta be careful. Yeah, that is no moment. Ink from the printer. Look. God, I don't remember this very well. I wonder what kind of processor it has in it. How do we get this off? These are all rivets. Rivets, rivets, rivets. Rivets, there's one screw. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. There's my third hand. Jesus. A big piece of sheet metal here, but this plastic fan should go in for big. I remember when I put this together, I don't remember the dimensions on these fans, but it's like 150 millimeters or something. I don't know what it was. And I was like, oh, these are the biggest fans I ever put in a computer. And they turn colors, blue and whatnot. Did they come out the front? I bet you that's what it is. Come out the front, not the back. May or may not sound disgusting. Alright, there we go. This just goes to the metal pile, which for now is all right there. And these, yeah, they do have little motors and little circuit boards in them, but oh, yeah, they're just a pain to get at that stuff. I'm all for recycling, but there's a limit to the amount of time I'm willing to spend on any one piece of recycling. These, I don't spend time on these fan motors anymore. Even the smaller ones, they're pretty much the same, but it's just a lot of fiddly bits. These are, if you want to take these apart, get the vise in the garage. Have fun, don't hurt yourself. These things, they just snip off the plasticky bits. Just recycle the wire. Should get a bigger snipper. I don't know if it's even worth recycling this little bit of wire like this, but see, normally what I do is I watch TV while I do this, but instead I thought I'd make one of these little videos to entertain you all. cut movie with Gladiator. Aren't you entertained? Isn't it what you wanted? Unrecyclable at the current date.